YouTube just dropped some bad news for a lot of creators. YouTube is raising the bar for monetization, from 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours to 1,000 subs and 8,000 watch hours within 365 days. You have till January 2027 to be grandfathered in the 1,000 subs, 4,000 watch hours requirement. Shorts, from 10 million to 20 million within 90 days. Maybe it's time to start thinking about what we have been preaching all along. There is not enough ad revenue to go around. YouTube have millions of videos that are unmarketable stored on servers that they can't make money on, and running servers cost a lot of money. Try to get as many of your audience to your own site to pay for your content. The ad revenue model was never a reliable income stream. Trying to get 4,000 watch hour was hard enough. 8,000 seems impossible. That said, don't quit YouTube, it's free marketing forever. Use YouTube to market your own site for free. Just post one video a month to stay relevant. Your goal now is to convert your audience to your own site. YouTube is a means to an end, not the be-all. Take this news as a blessing in disguise. A glass half full, not half empty. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.